Hello everyone, welcome to the Mathematics in my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this interesting infinite series question related to factorial multiple times. Okay, as I remember, I solved this type of question before 2-3 years ago. Anyway, this is an interesting question, so let's solve. Before we start the question, I'm going to introduce the summations of factorial multiple times. So if we take n double factorial, we can write this one is equal to n factorial, and here 2. So if we take n triple factorial, we can write n factorial, and here 3 times. So according to this, if we take n factorial, this is repeated 25 times. So we can write n factorial 25 times. Well, then we can rewrite our question like sum of n is equal 0 to infinity 1 over here 25 times n, and here factorial. Now we know here factorial 25 times. So here 25 times. Well, now if you look at our question, here we have 2025 constant, just a number. So I'm going to take general term. So if we take x n factorial, here same number. So here factorial x times. So now I'm going to expand this one. So we have first term nx, then next term n minus 1 times x, and next term n minus 2 times again x, and we know this is going to x. So now here we have x, here x, here x, here x. So x n times, and n minus 1, n minus 2, and here 1. So we know definitely this one is equal to n factorial. Okay, then we can write our question n is equal 0 to infinity. Now 1 over, let's take general term. So x n factorial, here x times. So we can write this one is equal to sum of n is equal 0 to infinity 1 over, now this part we know is equal to this part. So we have x to the n times n factorial. Well, then we know x is equal to 2025. So 2025 raised to the n times here n factorial. Well, let's take the first term of the series. So when n is equal to 0, we have 1 plus when n is equal 1, we have 1 over 2025 times 1 factorial. When next term 2025 square times 2 factorial plus so on. Okay, then I think this is a little bit familiar with us, because if we consider e to the x, we know e to the x is equal to sum of n is equal 0 to infinity x to the n over n factorial, and we know if we expand this one, 1 plus x over 1 factorial plus x square over 2 factorial plus so on. Now comparing with this one, we know x is equal to here 1 over 2025. So we have the answer e raised to the 1 over 2025. Okay, this answer approximately equal to 1. Okay, thank you for watching.